Possibly can right now. Chopped away for four. Nice bounce.
Up in the air. He should fall into the vacant area. Fielders reckon drag that.
Game's gone so tight.
Big over this, Hussain. He's got that away, thrashed it away, 4 runs. That's a very good start of the over.
With the bat.
Good shot, good connection. Really fine shot. One bounce, that's gone for 4. What a big over this is. Left his spell. That's been clubbed. And clubbed for 6. Outstanding work from Mohammad Nawaz. Outstanding. Slower delivery. Trying to go downtown. Could be out. 6 runs. 6 runs and the victory. Unbelievable work from Pakistan. That is outstanding. There was